Hi, Jonah and Lola. It's Wowo here, and I'm going to read a new book to you today. It's called Don't Push the Button. See the button right there? I guess we better not push it. Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. See the button? Wow. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Nope, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Okay. Now I'm all yellow. Push it again. Yeeks! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Boop, 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 boop. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh, look how many there are. There's so many of him. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Ooh, almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. So it says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, let's see what happens. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Look it made a whole bunch more Larrys. Isn't that silly? That was a cute book. I hope you liked it. And I hope to see you soon. I love you both. Mwah!